Hi, everybody. This is Dr. Mario Fucinari. I'm really excited to be coming to the Fall Convention. I have not one, not two, not three, four classes that I'm going to be teaching you to make your life easier. The first one, Proving Medical Necessity, will be all about those pesky audits. And when they say medical necessity was not shown, I'm going to show you the secrets, whether it be Medicare, Blue Cross, PI, work comp, be there. Next, we're going to be going through prevention of medical errors. It's risk assessment, risk management, which means, is your informed consent really considered an informed consent? We'll be doing a lot of talk about that. Plus HIPAA. Hey, it's required. So let's have some fun. Let's take a virtual tour of the office and you think about your office and let's do a risk assessment and make sure you're doing everything properly. And then finally, October 1st, 2022, we're already in 2023 codes. And so learn all the new ICD-10 codes. How about like herniated disc? Yeah, the codes change. A disc displacement, annular tears of the disc, all those have changed. Deconditioning of the muscles, post-concussion syndrome. Yes, all those have changed. So come on over and see me soon. See you then. Bye-bye.